What's up guys, today is the last day of 2019. In fact, in just a couple of hours, we're gonna be stepping inside the next decade, kicking things off with 2020. And with the new year, Samsung is about to make some very significant changes. So in my last video, we talked about how Samsung will be changing the game by changing the names. Yes, the Galaxy S11 name could be named as Galaxy S20. I got a mixed response from you guys. Some people like the Galaxy S11, while others are definitely liking S20 more. Based on today's news, it seems like Galaxy S20 might very well be the naming for the 2020 model. In fact, things are getting pretty ultra if you know what I mean. So as tweeted by iSniverse, here's what we're gonna see next year coming from Samsung. So instead of the Galaxy S20e, we're gonna see Galaxy S20, the 6.2-inch version. The 6.7-inch S20 will actually be a Galaxy S20 Plus, and then there's going to be a 6.9-inch Galaxy S20 Ultra. Yes, Samsung's about to go Ultra Instinct with its biggest and the most OP version of the S20. That is a big change in the naming. Not only the number, Samsung is adding a proper word, the Ultra, and I think Ultra is better than Pro. Again, it's not 100% confirmed, but it seems like Samsung will most likely be adopting this name because I don't think we have any flagship out there with Ultra name in it. So this definitely does bring a lot of new unique thing to it. It fits the personality of the biggest S20 model. If you look at the big camera tank size on the back, the huge 6.9-inch screen, it's gonna be amazing. It's truly going to be the phone for the Ultra users. Now, out of all the Galaxy S20 model, the Ultra model could get the exclusive 108 megapixel custom sensor. It's gonna have 5x optical zoom, a wide-angle lens, ultra-wide-angle lens. Ultra also defines the size of this phone and the battery you'll get, which is rumored to be around 5000 mAh. A battery that is truly made to handle a phone with a dynamic 120Hz OLED panel. In fact, the whole S20 lineup is having bigger size and bigger battery compared to the S10 we have seen in 2019. I really like what Samsung's doing with the smallest model, the Galaxy S20. Instead of S20e, they're going with the S20, something what Apple did. They have their iPhone 11. It's supposed to adopt the same camera as well as the same internals as the higher end models. It might not have the same Quad HD display. Samsung might go with a 1080p option. Again, we'll see more on that. Also, Samsung's foldable phone is expected to be launched before Galaxy S20 family. The new foldable clamshell design Galaxy will be an affordable higher mid-range device. It's not going to have the most premium looking design. It's not going to be using the same camera as the S20 family, and also not the same internals as the S20 family, which is why it's going to be an affordable clamshell phone. But still, it's going to be a very interesting phone of the year. It's going to be using a punch hole design towards the middle and clamshell folding mechanism. It's got a dual camera on the back as well as a plastic design overall. Again, it's not a very high-end product, but it's definitely very interesting, and I'm really happy to see that Samsung is bringing something like this to its Fold lineup. It might not be called as Galaxy Fold 2 since the original Fold is pretty high-end with the specs, so there's a good chance that this phone might have an entirely different name. So this could get announced at CES 2020 or at a separate event before the S20 family announcement, which is going to happen in February. Now, phones are not the only thing that Samsung's currently working on. At CES 2020, Samsung will be unveiling an artificial human called as Neon. We talked about this before. It's going to be a digital artificial human to which we can interact with. It's not Bixby or anything like that. It's something entirely different. Very few details are actually out regarding this, but I'll keep you guys updated when more stuff is out. Another thing that Samsung is rumored to unveil at CES 2020 is a true zero bezel TV. Yes, a proper zero bezel, and I mean zero bezel TV with 8K resolution at CES 2020. Samsung has actually just posted a teaser for its CES event happening in January 6th. They're teasing this empty shape of the TV, and the tagline is Age of Experience. This most likely is the teaser towards a bezel-less experience. Again, everything will be unveiled at CES 2020. Their artificial human as well as this crazy zero bezel TV. We might see the Galaxy S10 Lite and Note 10 Lite as well, along with the foldable clamshell Galaxy phone. All this is planned before the S20 family launch. So in the month of February, which is my birthday month, we're gonna see brand new kickoff of 2020 era with Samsung flagship devices named as S20. 20 and the biggest as S20 Ultra. Let me know your thoughts on that in the comment section below, what you think about it. I wish you guys a very warm, happy new year. Enjoy the holidays, have fun, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.